Today, we're going to be going over a new hack that takes advantage of Instagram's latest update. Alright, now before we get started, make sure you are liked and subscribed to the fastest growing Instagram growth, brand growth channel on YouTube. Get your shit seen. If you're new here, this is the channel where we teach you, your brand, your business, how to grow with creative marketing and social media. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at bobby.krieger. Here's how it works. If you have any questions about Instagram, follow me on Instagram at bobby.krieger. Like my last 3 pictures, and my DMs are open to you. You support me, I support you. Ready? Now let's get into this hack that's going to show us how to spy on any single Instagram competitor in our niche. Let's get right into it. All right, so first, let's go over this new Instagram update. Then I'm going to show you how to take advantage of it. So here we are on Instagram, and what this new Instagram update did is it allows us to have a separate feed of every single ad that we've recently been shown. So check it out. All you have to do is pull up your Instagram, go to settings in the corner, go down, and then click on this little speaker thing that says ads. Now, once we click on that, you're gonna see a button that says add activity. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna pull up all the ads you've been shown recently. Now you can see that my feed is a bunch of random ads because I like a lot of random stuff, right? See, we have this guy jumping. We have this guy with glasses. I don't know what this is. And these little kids dabbing and throwing money. Fantastic, classic Instagram ads. Instagram ads, by the way, are just notoriously terrible. Like, there's those ads that say, if you get this, you will be legally skilled. What is it? Legally skilled? What does that even mean? Anyways, so here's how we're gonna take advantage of this. So what I've done here is, I've created a separate Instagram profile. Now, I already have this Instagram profile just because I like to have a separate feed. So what this Instagram profile is mine is called My Entrepreneur Inspo. So here's what you're gonna do. We're gonna create a separate Instagram account, and we're only gonna follow people in your competitive niche. So if you are vegan, you're gonna create an Instagram account and only follow vegan people. If you're an entrepreneur like myself, you're gonna create an Instagram account and follow people in your space. So for example, I followed Gary Vee, I followed Ty Lopez, and I followed other Instagram growth gurus. Why? I wanna know what kind of ads they're posting, and I wanna know what kind of content is resonating with their audience. So now, when I go over here, and I go to settings, and I go to ads, and I see ad activity, it's gonna pull up ads that are only in my niche, okay? So this is a great idea for anybody that's looking to spy on their competitors. It's that simple. Now, my ad activity isn't pulled up right now just because I just created this account and started following entrepreneurs. But once you start to go in and you start to interact with all of these people, with Gary Vee's photos, I follow Bad Baby because, let me justify this. I follow Bad Baby because her marketing is fucking phenomenal. So check it out, Grant Cardone. Once I start to interact with this, I'm gonna start to be shown only advertisements that are in the entrepreneur space. So now we've done 2 things. 1, we've created our entire Instagram account dedicated to only following people in your niche. So in result, that will show us only advertisements of people in our niche, which will give us a fantastic idea of what ads are working so we can replicate them, and we're only using the ads that we know are proven to make money and work. And 2, we also just have an account of fantastic inspiration, right? So I'm scrolling through and I see this Gary Vee video and I'm like, that's a great idea for me to replicate. Or I'm scrolling through and I'm seeing, more Gary Vee, millionaire mogul mindset. I'm seeing what quotes work, and I'm able to take this content, flip back to my main account without the interruption of all the personal people I follow and all the cute puppy pictures I like, and I just have entrepreneurs on my feed. So remember, you need to be making this within your own niche. If you're vegan, make vegan pictures. If you are a makeup artist, make makeup, follow only makeup people. Have a completely interrupted feed. So that's it. Very simple, right? Just to go over, once again, all we did was create another Instagram account, take advantage of Instagram's update by their new ad activity feature, and only follow people in our niche, and then use this ad activity feature to spy on our competition. Simple, right? All right, last thing, I wanna know, what's the worst ad you've seen on Instagram? And trust me, there better be a lot of comments because there's a lot of shitty ads on Instagram. Are you legally skilled? That's a terrible one. There's the one of the people pretending to be Barack Obama. Like,
Barack Obama? Do I sound like Barack Obama?
There's the shitty Ty Lopez ads. There's all sorts of terrible Instagram ads. I want to know, what's the worst one you've seen? Let me know in the comments below, and we're going to choose one person that leaves the funniest or worst Instagram ad for a free month of our Instagram Rapid Growth trial. This trial is going to teach you how to grow your Instagram account. It's going to take your Instagram account from here to the next level. Trust me, it's a huge value. So leave in the comments below what your worst Instagram ad you've ever seen is, and we're going to pick a winner for our Rapid Instagram Growth trial. All right, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the fastest growing Instagram brand growth channel on YouTube. Get your shit seen. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bobby.Krieger for any questions you have regarding Instagram. I'm here to answer them for you. That's it for today's video. Peace until next time.